Magariru. Well, tapalat. So, can you tell us your name and what you were just doing there?
Hi, I'm Caroline Reagh, and I've just been doing a little bit of step dancing. That was some Strathspey steps to the wonderful Ian MacDonald and Ian McFarlane.
And you're teaching at Fèis. Can you tell us about the classes that you've been teaching?
Yes, we're just doing once a month at Melbourne Academy. We've been teaching a class on a Saturday morning from 11 till 12, and it's been lovely. There's been a real mix of ages come in, and because it's just once a month, it's not a big commitment for people, and they can just come in and they don't have to register every month.
No, and so it's going to stop for the summer. It's going to come back hopefully in
August.
In August.
Fèis will be in touch with people, or on their website it will say when they'll start again.
And Fèis in Inverness,
Yes.
And just a wee bit about step dance. Can you tell us kind of what it's about and the benefits of it and everything?
Well, it gets your heart rate going. You might see that now. So it's a great exercise, but it's lovely because it's exercise that you're doing to music, and so you're bringing music and dance together, and there's something very special about dancing which is different from just exercise. Step dance is basically moving your feet rhythmically to music. It is Scottish from a long, long time ago, and a lot of people think of it as coming from Cape Breton, or they think of Irish step dancing, but this is Scottish step dancing.
Very good. Well, more on time, Caroline.
Okay, tapalev.